Here's the problem. Your sales team improvises financial metrics. Leadership references outdated numbers in customer meetings. Investors hear a different story than prospects. That's narrative drift, and it kills credibility in enterprise deals. Meet the CloneForce Investor Relations and Analyst clone. Built for CFOs, IR teams, and sales leaders who need every stakeholder hearing the same story. Here's how it works. The clone connects to your financial systems, pulling from earnings decks, board packs, and prior commentary stored in the Knowledge tab. It drafts updated slides and talking points, highlighting quarter-over-quarter changes and key drivers. When your sales leader walks into a strategic customer meeting, they're using the exact same narrative investors just heard on the earnings call. After investor and analyst interactions, the Activity tab tracks every conversation. The clone consolidates questions, drafts follow-up emails via the chat interface, and surfaces recurring themes. Those insights flow directly into sales enablement, so your enterprise reps know the top 5 objections CFOs are hearing from Wall Street before they surface in a deal cycle. The clone also monitors peer earnings, analyst notes, and competitive signals, delivering what's changed digests before major meetings. Your team stays ahead of comparisons instead of reacting to them. This means alignment across sales, leadership, and investors. Faster enterprise cycles, a narrative you control. Ready to see it in action?